I'm very excited to share with you this new listing that we have on Siesta Key called Oceane. I'm here with my associate, Lisa Rooks, who is the team lead of the LRM group at Premier Sotheby's, and she's going to give us an insider's look on what it's like to live in this beautiful boutique building. So Lisa, tell us all that you can about this area first for those that might not know Siesta Key.
Okay, we're on the north end of Siesta Key, which is wonderful because you're close to downtown. You just go over the bridge and it's just a few miles away from downtown. And we're just a few blocks walking distance to the village of Siesta Key. So you're close to shops and restaurants, a gourmet grocery store, and obviously this view is just amazing here. And the beach, the walking beach is just a few blocks away as well. So in terms of location, having it all, lifestyle, view, new construction, I just don't know how you beat it. Each residence has a private cabana by the pool, which is really great. You could have your fridge in there with your drinks and your pool toys, and it's your own private space. It's like having the best of all worlds. It's almost like a single family home, but no worries.
You see downtown, you see the end of Lido Key. It's really a special location. And you were telling us a bit about the building and how it's set up. So you said it's 2 units per floor.
Yes.
Does each residence have its own elevator entry? Kind of explain that to us.
Yes, it is private elevator access, which is great. It's super secure. It's gated. At the front, the whole property is gated, and then obviously a secured entrance, and then only you can make your elevator go to your floor, and the doors open and you're in your unit.
Wow.
There's a part-time concierge, building manager on site. He's unbelievable. The residents are lovely. I mean, it's a super place to live.
So the big question I think everybody's probably asking at this point is how much does it cost to actually live here? Can you tell us that?
This unit is priced at $4,850,000. There's a unit in here nearly identical that just closed a few weeks ago at $5,050,000. This particular owner, he bought this pre-construction, and he had his first pick. He was the first buyer, and he chose this unit because of the proximity to the water. He thought this was the best view. You either have north or south. I mean, they're all phenomenal, but you know, when you gotta pick one, this was the one that he thought was the best. I think he made a great decision.
So Lisa, you've been in a lot of amazing buildings, you've seen a lot of condos, and you've sold a lot. What do you love most about this residence?
Well, I think the standout about this residence above all is something that you can't change anywhere else. You have this view, and you have 70 feet across. I mean, it's almost unheard of. 70 feet across on the Gulf with 10-foot sliding impact glass walls from the residence looking out. And then as you can see here on the terrace, you know, you have again frameless glass. So there's just it's like you're on a boat. I mean, the water is and from every living space, or all the primary, the master bedroom, the living, family, kitchen area. It's the view, and it's beautiful right now, but at night, it's really, sunset is just surreal. It's really beautiful.
That's awesome. So tell me about the kitchen. What features? I mean, it's like gorgeous and gourmet.
Yeah.
What do you like most about that kitchen?
It's beautiful. I mean, the cabinetry is, you know, gorgeous Italian cabinetry, high-end appliances. Probably my favorite feature is there's like what you think you're opening up like a little pantry cabinet, and you walk in and it's like this whole other space that you just walk in, so you have sort of like your hidden dirty kitchen if you want, or lots of additional storage. But
so you compared this to a single family home earlier. Kind of expand on that a little bit more.
Well, once you get to the unit, it feels like you're in a single family home. I mean, it's big. It's, you know, just under 5,000 total interior, just under 4,300 square feet. 4 bedrooms and a den, and it's just very open and wide, and you feel like you're in a home, and you don't see or feel like there's anybody, you know, right next to you. You don't have the sense that you're in a building with other people. You're only sharing with 5 other residents, but still, you know, when you're down by the pool, it's sort of your own pool area. And when you come in, you actually have the other thing that's very single family home like is that you have your own private 3-car garage.
Wow.
So you pull in, you have 1 2-car garage, and then right next to it another 1-car garage. So it's, you know, parking is great.
Amazing.
And it just feels like home. Well, you're just a quick drive. You're a few miles away from downtown Sarasota. It's great being on the north end of Siesta because you're not having to go through, you know, the village to get to downtown. So it's just an easy, you know, shoot out over the North Bridge and you're there. But then on Siesta, which I think everybody knows is like the top rated beach in the country, if not the world. It always makes that top 10 doctor beach list. And right now we're in the height of season. I mean, it's high season in Sarasota, and it's also spring break on top of it. So, and always the most popular places in the world also kind of have a lot of traffic at the height. But what's great about being here is you don't have to get in the car and drive.
We're in the height of season. It's spring break right now when we're filming this, but you really feel like you're in this private oasis away from everything. I mean, you don't hear anything. You might hear boats, but it's just so serene.
No, and it's amazing. When I'm down there, you know, by the pool, you look out and you have this view of downtown, the beach, everything, and nobody can see you. I mean, it's just, it's
so neat.
The way the building is positioned. This is, I really do think it's a very, very unique building to just have super boutique, the amount of frontage here and the location and the fact that it's new construction and it's new, really high quality construction. It's kind of hits all the marks.
Hits all the marks.
Yeah.
So thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions about this residence or would like to relocate to Sarasota, Florida and need some guidance, you can reach us on our website at teamlrm.com. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.